Alright guys, so I'm gonna unbox the Ducky 1-2 Mini. So, got it. How do you open it? Okay. Alright. Oh my gosh, it's a lot smaller than I thought. Alright, so we got a dust cover over there. We got the, oh my god, it's kind of difficult to get out. Alright, so we got the keyboard right here. I'm gonna put it over here. Then we got, what's this? Ducky channel. This is probably warranty, or yeah, that's what it looks like. Okay, then we're gonna go to the back. We got, oh, we got a blue keycap puller. That's pretty cool. Then we got the, whoa. It's like a robotic space bar, something like that. Then it looks like we got red keycaps. Those are pretty cool. And then we got the USB-C cable. So let's go plug this in and see how it works. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. It looks insane. It looks really cool. So I'm gonna turn off the lights and see how it goes with the dark. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Alright, let's do a sound test. Alright guys, that's the video for the Ducky 1-2 Mini. This is going to be a great keyboard to use. I'm going to be doing a keycap removal and putting on new keycaps. So please stay tuned for that video. Please like and subscribe and have a good day.